Hello, my dear brothers and my dear sisters. Welcome back to English Listening Podcasts. Let me ask you something. Do you ever want to talk about your day in English, but you don't know what to say? You think I wake up, then what? How do I say everything in English? Don't worry. Today I'll help you step by step. This video will teach you how to describe your whole day from morning to night in simple, natural English. You'll learn real sentences that native speakers use every single day. And the best part, the sentences are short, clear, and easy to remember. You don't need hard grammar. You don't need big vocabulary words. And definitely you don't need years of learning. You just need to listen, repeat, and practice with me. So imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you meet a friend, and they ask, "Hey, how was your day?" And you can answer confidently in perfect English. That's what we'll do together today. From the moment you open your eyes in the morning until the moment you go to sleep at night, you'll learn exactly what to say in English. This is your real life English practice. You can use these sentences every day, at home, at work, at school, anywhere. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, smile, and let's start your English day together from morning to night. Good morning. It's a new day. I open my eyes slowly. I'm still a little sleepy. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. The sun is shining through my window. It feels warm and peaceful. I look at the clock. It's 7 o'clock. Time to get up. I don't want to leave my bed, but I tell myself, come on, let's start the day. I sit up and smile. I say, thank you for a new morning. Then I get out of bed. I fold my blanket. I make my bed nice and neat. Next, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. My toothpaste smells fresh. Then I wash my face. So cold, but it wakes me up. I look in the mirror and smile again. I say to myself, let's make today a good day. Then I take a shower. The warm water feels so relaxing. I think about my plans for the day. Sometimes I sing a little song in the shower. It makes me feel happy. After the shower, I dry my hair. I get dressed. I wear something comfortable and clean. I check myself in the mirror. Not bad. Now I go to the kitchen. It's time for breakfast. I make a cup of tea. I love the smell of fresh tea in the morning. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit. While eating, I check my phone. I read some messages. I watch a short, funny video. I smile or laugh a little. Then I plan my day. I think about what I need to do. Maybe I have work. Maybe I have class. Or maybe it's my day off. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I clean the table. I don't like leaving a mess behind. Then I pack my bag. I put my phone, wallet, and keys inside. I wear my shoes. I take one last look in the mirror. I say, okay, let's go. I open the door, step outside, and feel the morning air. It's cool, fresh, and full of energy. I take a deep breath and smile. Now my morning is finished and it's time to start my day. I step outside and feel the sun on my face. The sky is bright and blue. I can hear people talking, cars moving, and birds singing. The world feels alive. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just look around and think the bus comes and I get on. I sit by the window. I like watching the city move. Shops, people, trees, everything passing by. I enjoy this little quiet time before work. After some time, I reach my office. I say good morning to my friends and coworkers. Everyone looks busy but happy. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails. I make a to-do list. I start working on my tasks. Sometimes I join a meeting. We talk about new ideas. We plan what to do next. I try to listen carefully and share my thoughts. After working for a while, I start to feel a little hungry. My stomach says it's lunchtime. I go to the lunch area. I sit with my friends. We talk about our morning, about funny things, about life. We laugh and enjoy our meal together. Sometimes I bring food from home. Sometimes I buy something simple. Maybe rice, curry, or a sandwich. I eat slowly and relax. After lunch, I drink some water or tea, then I go back to my desk. I feel a little sleepy, but I tell myself, come on, you can do it. I focus again. I finish my tasks one by one. I write notes. I send messages. I make small progress every hour. Sometimes the day feels long, but when I look at the clock, I see it's already 4 o'clock. Only one more hour. Finally, I finish my work. I pack my things. I clean my desk. I say bye. Everyone, see you tomorrow. I leave the office. The sun is still shining, but softer now. It's evening time. The day is slowing down. I feel a mix of tired and happy. Tired because I worked hard. Happy because I did my best. I walk outside. The air feels different now. A little cool, a little calm. People are going home, some are shopping, some are walking, some are just sitting with friends. Now the sun is going down. The sky turns orange and pink. It looks beautiful. The day is ending and evening is here. I'm on my way home. The streets are busy but calm. People are walking. Some are laughing. Some are talking on their phones. Everyone is going back home after a long day. I reach my house. Finally home. I take off my shoes and put down my bag. I feel a little tired, but it's a good kind of tired. I sit on the sofa and take a deep breath. I say to myself, I did my best today. It was a busy day, but a good one. Sometimes I turn on the fan or the air conditioner. I just relax for a few minutes. I check my phone. I reply to some messages. I scroll through social media. I read some funny comments and laugh. After resting for a while, I go to the bathroom. I take a shower. The water feels so good after a long day. It washes away all the tiredness. I feel fresh again. Then I wear comfortable clothes, maybe my favorite t-shirt and soft pants. I feel light and free. Now it's time for dinner. Sometimes I cook. Sometimes I order food. If I cook, I like making something simple, maybe rice and vegetables or noodles with chicken. I play some music while cooking. It makes me happy. If I order food, I wait and watch a short video. When the food comes, I say, "Yay, my dinner is here." I sit down and eat slowly. The food tastes delicious. I enjoy every bite. Sometimes I watch YouTube while eating, maybe an English video or something funny. I love this quiet evening time. After dinner, I clean the table, I wash the dishes. I like keeping my kitchen clean. Then I make a cup of tea or coffee. I sit back on the sofa. I drink slowly and relax. Sometimes I call my family or friends. We talk about our day. We laugh. We share stories. We talk about plans. It feels good to connect. Other times I just listen to music or watch a movie or read something simple. The evening is my time to rest and recharge. Outside, the sky is dark now. I can see a few stars. The city is quiet. I feel peaceful. I think about my day, what I did, what I learned, what I'm thankful for. I smile and whisper, "Thank you for today." Now it's night. The world is quiet. The lights outside are shining softly. I can feel peace in the air. I close my laptop and put away my phone. Work is done. Messages are sent. And now it's time to rest. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly. I wash my face with cool water. It feels fresh and clean. I look in the mirror and smile. I say, "Wow, good job today." Then I go to my room. I turn on a small light. My room feels warm and cozy. I sit on my bed. Sometimes I write a few words in my notebook. What I did today, how I felt, and what I'm thankful for. I like this quiet time. It's just me and my thoughts. I think about tomorrow. Maybe I have plans. Maybe I will just rest more. But right now, I only want to relax. I take my phone and check it one last time. A few new messages. I read them, smile, and reply if needed. Then I put my phone on silent and place it away. I drink a glass of water. I turn off the lights. My room becomes dark and peaceful. I lie down on my bed. I pull up my blanket. It feels soft and warm. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I whisper to myself, "Thank you for today. I did my best. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day." Slowly, my body relaxes. My mind feels calm and I fall asleep peacefully and happily. So, my friend, that's how you can talk about your full day in English from morning to night. Now it's your turn. Try to say these sentences about your own day. Speak slowly. Record your voice. Listen and repeat. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need confident English. If you like this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy English videos, and tell me in the comments, how was your day today? Thank you for spending your day with me. Good night, sweet dreams, and see you in the next lesson.